Creating feel-good hormones give control of our moods and emotions. Most weight loss or rehab programs don't usually use the simple fact. We need to replace pleasure with another pleasure to have control. The preferences of your pleasures will be unique to each of you and might not fit discussion in a rigidly formatted meeting like AANA or Overeaters Anonymous. But you can work this way creatively with your daily coping skills and any self-development program or weight loss system to help prevent failure. I am joyous, happy, calm, clear thoughts. I am joyous, happy, calm, clear thoughts. The pleasure hormones bring fulfilling joy that lingers better than food or destructive habits. It makes whatever done next more productive, pleasing. The pleasure hormones bring fulfilling joy that lingers better than food or destructive habits. It makes whatever done next more productive, pleasure, giving creativity more depth and even inspiration. Experience inspiration, which has its own more powerful feel-good hormones that are in our gut mostly, our emotional center. Bliss of a religious experience, and sex. Exercise creates the feel-good hormones better than food. Exercise can be terrific fun, and that is why children are usually so happy when they are very active, physically playing. They typically don't want to stop running and chasing at all. It feels so good. Many runners and people who obsessively work out get hooked on this hormone high.